Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can set up a live wallpaper on your Windows machine, just like I have right here where I have this rain falling on the background. So let's begin the video. First of all, on your Windows machine you're going to open the Microsoft Store. On the search, type lively wallpaper. Here you will see the app lively wallpaper. So you're going to download and install this free application, and this app will allow you to have live wallpapers on your Windows machine. And as this live wallpaper application is being downloaded, you can also open the Chrome or Google Chrome browser and search for any video that you want to download. In my case, I have downloaded this video from Pixabay, so you can follow this creator as well, who is this one. Once the app has been installed, we're going to open it. And here we have the lively wallpaper. As you can see, it has some of its pre-installed wallpapers which you can use out of the box. So let's say I want to have this rain wallpaper. I'm just going to select it, and now if I minimize it, you can see on the background we have that live wallpaper running on our Windows machine. So this is quite cool, where you have these folders and files and you have this live wallpaper running on your Windows machine. Also, again, if you open the lively wallpaper, if you want to add your own video as a live wallpaper, just click on this add button, select choose a file, and you're going to browse wherever you have the video. I am going to select this one. You can give it a name as well, select OK, and now you can see I have that video as a live wallpaper on my Windows machine. So this is how simple it is to do it. Also, one thing that I should tell you, that since you are having a live wallpaper as a background, it will consume more power and some RAM from your machine. So if you're on a laptop, try to use it when you are mostly plugged in, because it will consume power and resources. But yeah guys, this is how you can set up a live wallpaper on your Windows 11 machine. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.